Welcome to Harley-Davidson of Danbury, also known as Fairfield Power Sports. That's our website address for our CFMoto ATVs and motorcycles and side-by-sides. My name's Al Lucchino. I'm the owner of the dealership, and I want to introduce you to this 2025 C800 ATV. It's an awesome vehicle. Let me start by saying CFMoto has been in business for over 40 years, close to 50 years. They're one of the highest quality preeminent manufacturers in Asia of off-road vehicles, and they are now number 3 in the United States behind Polaris and Can-Am. CFMoto sells more off-road vehicles in the United States than Honda. Now let me walk you through this C800 and let me explain why it's such a tremendous value. Now there's a couple of things going on at our dealership till October 31st, 2025. This is regularly $9,400. There's going to be $600 off, so it'll be $8,800 plus tax and freight and setup. CFMoto also is running till the end of October a promotion where you can get 0% financing for up to 36 months if you qualify for that, and we're including a free Kolpin Plow till the end of the month. So come on down, but let's go take a quick walk around. Lava Orange paint. CFMoto gives you more value than any other ATV off-road manufacturer. Lava Orange paint is automotive grade. 2, standard equipment, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes all around. The transmission is a fully automatic Omni Drive CFMoto version of the CV Tech fully automatic transmission. The Omni Drive is CFMoto's own heavy-duty version of the CV Tech automatic transmission. We've got a passenger backrest with grab straps. We've got composite over steel racks. We've got adjustable electronic power steering, handguards, all standard equipment. We've also got downward assist control, which automatically helps slow the descent on a steep downhill. You've got the fully automatic transmission. We've got a 3,500-pound winch with a synthetic rope. Again, all standard equipment. Adjustable shock absorbers on all 4 corners, great high-quality off-road tires, and CFMoto buttons it up with a 1-year factory warranty, really one of the best in the industry off-road warranties. So come on down to Harley-Davidson at Danbury, Fairfield Power Sports. Take advantage of that 0% financing, the free Kolpin Plow included till the end of the month, and the $600 sale price that we're offering on our remaining in-stock 2025. I have this in gray as well. So 800 cc's, 70 horsepower, V-twin engine, liquid cooled, fuel injected. Come on down, and thank you for watching this video. We'll see you on the trails.